Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on an Epson WF-3640. Now this process is pretty simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. So from the home screen of the printer, we're going to press to go into setup, and in setup we're going to go into maintenance. And from maintenance, printhead cleaning is the second option down. Press that one. Proceed. Now, depending upon the print quality issue you're having, you can clean all four colours if you've got a general print quality issue and you're not sure what's causing it, all of the colours except black, or the black only. So if you're having issues with text documents, you'd want to go for that bottom one. Issues with graphics and stuff, the middle option is probably for you. And if you're just doing a general clean to troubleshoot an issue, go for that top one. So we just press the colour start button. And after a few minutes of clicking and whirring, you'll be taken back to a page that looks like this. And what your printer has done is kind of pushed fresh ink through its printhead, hopefully dislodging any dried or congealed ink on whichever colours you've selected. And once you find yourself here, I'd recommend printing a nozzle check pattern as the next step, which we've covered in a previous video, but it basically breaks down all of the colours your printer uses. So you can see the printer's ability to print these colours and in fine detail, just like that. If this video has been useful, please do let me know with a like. If you have anything else to add, please do drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.